This spacecraft just went where no other has gone before. Into the deepest regions of Saturn's rings. There's a gap between Saturn and its innermost ring. That's where NASA's Cassini spacecraft flew earlier this week. It's the closest NASA has ever come to Saturn, flying just 1,900 miles above Saturn's cloud tops. Here's the first glimpse of what Cassini saw. These images are just hours old, so they're not fully processed. NASA has wanted to explore this region near Saturn for decades. It had 3 chances with Pioneer 11 and the Voyager probes. Each time, it opted out due to safety concerns. Not this time. Cassini raced through the gap at 76,000 miles per hour. That's almost 17 times faster than the fastest jet in history. But this is just the first pass. Over the next few months, it will cross the gap 22 times. Its next dive will take place on May 2nd. These series of dives is Cassini's final mission. It will fly into Saturn's atmosphere this September. There, it will go down in a final blaze of glory. A fitting end to Cassini's historic 13-year run in space.